Today I'm going to be sharing with you a step-by-step ultimate guide on how you can treat your acne and clear up all your acne. You can see some days back, this was how my skin was, literally I think 3 or 4 days ago, and this is how my skin is right now. So I'm going to be sharing with you what I've done to get my skin to where it is now and what I'm going to continue doing in order to completely treat my acne. So the first step in order to treat your acne is actually to eliminate everything that will aggravate or increase your acne flare-up. If you are someone that consumes a lot of sugary foods, if you are someone that have a very unhealthy lifestyle, drinking enough water, these kinds of things, they do contribute to your acne problem and do make you have a lot of acne. Another thing that can contribute to your acne problem is actually hormonal imbalance. Especially as a woman, during some periods of your cycle, you do tend to have more acne and more serious, severe types of acne. For example, during my period, I do have very severe cystic acne, and now that I know this, I know how I can tackle those types of acne during that time. Step 2, after identifying all the things that aggravate your acne and tackling those situations, the next step to do is to strengthen your skin barrier. I don't know how much I'm going to keep on saying this, but if you have a damaged skin barrier, there's nothing you can do that can treat your acne, especially if you're someone that have very acne prone skin and very sensitive skin. Like, I have tried it. I have tried using the most strongest of strong products, and I was unable to treat my acne during those times because my skin barrier was broken and damaged during those times. So the first step to do is to strengthen your skin barrier and rebuild your skin barrier by using hydrating products that have ceramides, products that have peptides, products that are very hydrating like hyaluronic acid. You need to incorporate those products in order to rebuild your skin barrier while also stopping all the other harsh products and all the other active ingredients at the same time. After you build your skin barrier, most of the time after you build your skin barrier, you are going to notice a lot of change in your skin already. So that will even encourage you more in order to go on your journey of treating your acne problem. The next step after building your skin barrier is incorporating products that can actually clear up your acne. If you have very severe acne, I would advise you to go to your doctor, get products that have very serious ingredients like benzoyl and also tretinoin. Because I'm speaking from experience, although now I do have a bit milder acne, I had very severe cystic acne. Tretinoin was my go-to, and tretinoin is something very serious. So I will advise you, if you have very severe acne, to go down that road. But if you have milder acne and you have very sensitive skin like I do now, I am not currently treating my skin with benzoyl or tretinoin. I am actually treating my skin with milder ingredients that actually still work. I will advise you to incorporate products that have salicylic acid and niacinamide. Those two products are like the holy grail for me in my skincare routine in order to treat my acne, because I have very acne prone skin, and as God will have it, He also gave me a very sensitive skin that makes it very easy for me to get allergic reactions and for my skin barrier to easily be broken. So I cannot use very harsh products like benzoyl. I can't even use benzoyl. I remember using benzoyl once in my life and stopping it because it was just too much for my skin to handle. How my skin was able to handle tretinoin, I do not know, but I thank God it was able to handle. For the products that have ingredients that are mild enough to not damage your skin barrier or give you sensitivity, but strong enough for you to treat your acne, I will advise you to go for products that have 2% salicylic acid and at least maybe some percentage of niacinamide. I'm not sure of people, and be conscious of your products that having niacinamide, because too much niacinamide can lead to niacinamide overload, and that is also bad for your skin and may lead to a lot of problems and also added acne. So for me, the products I do use for my acne is, first and foremost, for my cleansing, I do use the face fat blemish cleanser. So this cleanser has 2% salicylic acid, so it's strong enough for it to clear out the acne and the dirt in my pores. And it also has niacinamide, So this is my go-to cleanser when I have acne problem. The next product that I do use for my acne is this gel. This is the face fat blemish treatment gel. This blemish treatment gel also has salicylic acid and niacinamide. So this is very good. This gel is like a lifesaver when it comes to treating acne. This gel, it treats your acne very quickly. I don't know how it does it, but it just does it for me. Whenever I have mild acne, mild to moderate acne, this gel treats it in literally one night. Like, I put it on in the night and in the morning I'm seeing results. The next product I do use when I'm having acne is my renewing serum. This is actually like a face peel. This is actually like a face peel. It has 10% AHA and 2% BHA, which is 2% salicylic acid. This is a very strong product. I do normally use it once a week on a normal, on like, I do normally use this once a week on my weekly skincare routine. Like once a week, normally on Saturdays, I do use this as my peel and my exfoliant for the week. But I don't use this every day. This is a very strong product. This is a very strong product. Very strong product. I will not advise you to use it on a day-to-day basis. I will advise you to use it also once a week. But this product, I also use it to spot treat my acne. If I have very severe acne, I do use this product to spot treat my acne only on the places that I have active acne. For example, I have a very big boil-like acne here. I have used this product last night on it, and I'm going to use this product again tonight on it, so that it will be able to fast forward the process of treating that acne. I will not advise you to use this product at daytime, even if you are going to be using sunscreen. As you can see, I'm on sunscreen. I'm on 2 layers of sunscreen, and the powder on my skin has sunscreen also. But I won't advise you to use this product during the daytime. So these are the products that I am currently using and the process I'm currently using in order to treat my acne. I hope you will be able to learn something from this video on how to treat your acne, on how to prevent acne, on how to strengthen your skin barrier so that you will be less likely to have acne and you will be more likely to be able to treat your acne. Thanks for staying with me on this video. If you like this video, or if this video have been beneficial to you in any way, please click the like button down there and also subscribe to the channel so that I'll be able to grow this channel. This will really make me feel as if I matter. Thank you.